Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the first time, go ahead right now and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I'm back today. I want to show you how you can get traffic over to your capture page to look at this opportunity for digital wealth pros. Okay, I'm going to show you free methods, and then I'm going to show you paid methods that you can use to get eyeballs over to this opportunity. That is the key, okay, because we all know that there's a call center that's going to close the sales for you, so your job is just to get people to your capture page. Okay, this is an awesome system. You should check it out. Go to the link in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. Great way to earn automated passive income. $200 commissions, $400 commissions, $800 commissions, and we do get overrides, guys. So once you get folks to your capture page, the system takes over from there. It does the selling and telling. They call the call center. The call center will close them out. You get paid instantly any way you want. So how do you get people over to your capture page, right? Of course, they give you some strategies in your members area. But let me show you one that I just recently used, and I've been using this vendor for quite a while. But let me show you one I just recently used, and then some other ways to do that. So what do we have here? You have your capture page, right? Let's take a look at those. Okay, so you go in your dashboard, right? You have 4 capture pages that you can select from. Okay, so all you're gonna do is just pick one of these, just copy the link, right? So you copy the link. Let's say we're gonna use this one. We're gonna copy it. We'll go to one of the vendors that I personally use. Hang on. Okay, so you go to Unime. Okay, set you up an account. If you haven't done that, I'll put the link in the description. You'll get $5 off your first order. So you go here, and let's say you go to find sellers. I'm just going to use this as an example. Let's say we pick this person right here. It's 45 cents per click, right? So we click there. This is how simple and easy it is. You don't have to bug friends and family. You don't have to chase people on social media, any of that stuff, right? Go here. You go down and you decide, well, how much do you want to spend? Okay. So for an example, it's automatically going to 300 clicks. 300 visitors would be $138 with this particular vendor. Okay. So whatever that is, so you just move this down, and this will decrease the click. So let's say you want 125, whatever your budget will allow. That's $59.25. Let's say you say, hey, well, that's still too much. Let's go to 100. So 100 would be 48 bucks. Okay, you see how this works? That's all you do. Just adjust this. So all you do. So I copied the link from my dashboard, right? So you just go here and you paste it. Oops, hang on, let me go back and get it. Hang on. Okay, so I have it here. So all I've done is pasted it here, and then you go here, guys, and you pay. Okay, you click the card or PayPal, however you're gonna pay, and then you'll just check out. Once you check out, you're gonna receive an email from the vendor. They'll accept your order. It's going to say the vendor has accepted your order. And then the next email is going to come from the vendor stating that the traffic has started. Okay. And then when it ends, they'll send you an email and say all your clicks have been delivered. That's how simple it is to order traffic, a solo ad. Okay. So that's one method, right? Okay. So that's one method, right? So here's a few more. You can share your opportunity with affiliates, your warm market, say other affiliate marketers or network marketers you may know. And then of course a free method would be social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, right? TikTok, any of those social media platforms, that would be free, guys. And if you join me, I will give you some pre-written ads that have been proven to work. So if you're interested in social media, classified ads, once you get started with me, I will share some of those with you. Craigslist, okay, would be another way to get eyeballs on your opportunity with Digital Wealth Pros. And then, of course, Postcards, which is in your dashboard, right? Let me show you that in your back office. You can go back here in the back office and click on Member Resources, and right here, click Highly Converting Postcard Mailers right there. There is a postcard that's going to be coming very soon. So if you're interested in the postcard that I would be using, get with me on that. Okay, but the company has one already back here for you, so that's another method. And then, of course, they have these solo ad vendors here, okay, but I'm just showing you some additional ones, okay? And you can use text message marketing, guys. I'm not sure if you guys are in TextBot AI. I am an affiliate with TextBot AI. If you are an AVA Plus member with TextBot AI, you can send a text broadcast. Okay, let's go over there and check that out real quick. Okay, I am in my members area or dashboard area of TextBot AI, and as you can see right here, I am an AVA Plus member. Okay, so all I would have to do is click broadcast. Okay, so if you're in TextBot, you can upgrade to this and become an AVA Plus member. All the phone numbers that have dialed your number, you can send a blast to them. So you go right here, see, and it says new broadcast, click that, and right here you would create a broadcast campaign. See right here, it says create an SMS broadcast campaign. Now I recently submitted one. You look here, my broadcast, and you can select how many numbers you want to be texted. It'll tell you all the numbers that's in here, and then if there's additional fees to send, I guess more than what's, yeah, there's an additional fee. Like if it's 200 in there, it's going to tell me 168, which is what I have, is this amount. And then if I want to send to all of them, it'll give me an extra fee. So I texted to 168 of those folks back here, and see right here it says DWP. So that's what I used as my little note for myself, so I know what I blasted to. So there's various ways to promote Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, now this is the page right here that I sent my traffic to, guys. The link is in the description. Actually, the domain that I'm using is going here, www.earnwithpandora.com. It goes to this particular page. So this is the capture page I'm using, name and email. And let me show you, matter of fact, some results from that. It's going on right now as well. It should be finishing up here today or tomorrow. Hang on. Okay, as you can see right here, see it says DWP leads. Okay, so 51 here, 19, that's 70, 670 so far. And there's another one has come in since I've been speaking, doing this video. Okay, so this capture page is very captivating because it has a video on it as well. Let me show you this real quick. See right here, there's a video.
You are about to be introduced to a 100% passive income generating opportunity.
Okay, so I did a traffic campaign there, and then it goes to this page, which is different than Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, so I like to test their system and this system. So let me show you the page it's going to go to once they opt in. And once they opt in there, see, this is the page they're going to get. They're going to get the 7-minute video. This is a new video. And then they're going to get a little webinar that's going to give them more information and break down some more details about the program. And this page is coded to you. So if you want a page like this, go down. As you can see, here's my ID. Come down further right here. It says get a site like this. Just click that. List me as your referral. Okay, it says right here, it'll ask you who referred you. So list me there, and you'll get a page just like this. So call this number if you want to get started earning $200, $400, $800 commissions and overrides. We get overrides with this too. Call 800-232-2109 and give them my ID, 442-89634. So you can use this system. It has an autoresponder already created for you as well, so you don't have to do any creating. Okay, this comes with an autoresponder and the capture page, which is what I just showed you. So guys, that's how you can get traffic to your Digital Wealth Pros website. That's the name of the game, getting eyeballs to your capture page. Okay, that's your job. Let the system do everything else from that point. All right, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely go check it out, www.earnwithpandora.com. I'm going to be giving away, let me go over that before I forget. When you get started with me, if you join at the bronze level, the $200 level, I'm going to give you a 125 click solo ad. If you join at the $400 level, I'm going to give you a 125 click solo ad. If you join at the $800 level, I'm going to give you a 325 click solo ad. Not to mention, I offer 101 ongoing support. Okay, so when you join, right, a lot of times when you join, folks, they go into witness protection. You can't reach them anymore. You can't contact them. Any of that, right? So I'm going to be here even after the fact, that you'll be able to call me and we can talk about different strategies as well. And then I have some image ads. If you're interested in getting some image ads, I've been posting a lot of my images all over the place. If you're interested in that, I'll be happy to give you a few of those as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. If this sounds great to you, go ahead and check it out and call the number. Okay, call the 800 number, get your questions answered. That's what the call center is there for. Okay, jot them down. Watch these two videos. This is a 7-minute one and this one is a 14-minute one. Okay, and then call them and ask them the questions that you need answered. Okay, all right, and then they can get you all set up. They're going to sign you up and get you started. With this program, by the way, I don't remember if I mentioned that, you get paid any way you want, guys. Credit card, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. They can mail you money orders. However you want to get paid with this, you set it up and it'll be instant pay. Once someone gets started, the call center will sign them up. They'll send you an email and let you know that you have a new member that's been signed up. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.